Eat those the bullets.
Sorry, I did it.
Wow. Yeah, you go out there by your damn self. I'm going back up top.
It was an accident.
Oh, shit.
Need to reload.
Hey, now you did it.
Oh my god.
Reloading.
Oh my god.
Hey, I got this.
That's a really good shot.
Come on, man, that shit hurts.
Stop shooting me, Chad.
Dude, sorry, the zombies.
Everyone okay? Man,
He's killing me.
Ah.
Shooting me, you stupid motherfucker.
What are you team killing me?
Shooting me, nigga.
What's wrong with you guys? Hey, play the game. What's going on?
Damn.
What's your problem?
He left the game.
You shooting me.
Dude, chill out. It's just a game.
Get here, clicking.
Slicing this nigga up, stupid ass.
What's wrong, dude?
Slicing me don't want to play the game right. Make double eating ass nigga.
What's wrong?
Slice the fuck out you. Okay,
over here.
Die, nigga.